Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo Find X3 Neo, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best free themes for this device. So firstly, on the third place, I'll show you the theme on the third place, and on the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher. So just find it and install. Click open. Click agree. Choose your favorite apps here and click OK. So this is a really minimalistic launcher. Here you have only favorite apps on the home screen, and alphabetical line is your main menu. So if you want to find any application, for example YouTube, tap your finger on this line and drag it to Y. If you want to find the Play Store, just drag it to P. If you want to find the, I don't know what we can try to find, for example contacts, so just drag to C. And here are our contacts, calendar, Chrome, calculator, and other apps starting with C. Okay, on the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Find it and install. Click open. Get started. I agree, confirm, continue. Value the app, allow all. You can use suggested wallpaper or your normal wallpapers, of course. Click on the cross on the right corner. And cool, here we have, as you can see, a really beautiful interface. And here, as you can see, we can use news on the left panel. In the main menu we have application grouped by groups automatically. You don't need to group it manually. And the killer feature of this launcher is the wallpaper gallery. It's really beautiful and it's updating every day. It's really great and powerful and awful. Okay, it's beautiful, really beautiful. So choose any wallpaper you wanna use, click set it up, and just wait a while. And wallpapers in the great resolution will be downloaded and installed. Cool. On the first place in my top, on the first place will be Microsoft Launcher. Microsoft Launcher. Find this application and install. Click open. Get started while in the app. Allow, continue. Click skip, OK. Choose your favorite apps here, click continue, let's go. Here on the left panel we have the killer feature of this launcher. This is the glance panel. In the glance we can stop all our widgets, and you don't need to swipe between thousands of home screens to find desired widget, because all your widgets will be here. Then, second thing is the alphabetical line in the main menu with the search and apps hidden feature. And the killer feature of this launcher is the gestures. So for example, if you now you can think that this feature is useless, but if you'll try it, you will know that you will tell somebody that this is the best launcher. You can tap any widget to open any application you want. Two fingers swipe up, 2 fingers swipe down, 3 fingers swipe up and down, double tap, triple tap, double tap with 2 fingers, and other gestures. You can set it up in the way you want and open applications, but just using the the gestures. If you will try it, you will love it. And only because of it, this launcher on the first place in my top. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.